So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. Smash us a like. Your support is much appreciated. So let's crack on with the rest of the video. Today, we're going to look at repairing this worktop edging strip. Now, to complete this task, you will need a sharp cutting knife, some putty sticks, various grades of sandpaper, some masking tape, some newspaper, some matte lacquer, and some model paints. Right, here we have a little edging strip on the edge of a worktop. It's just been snapped off. Ideally, you'd replace it, but unfortunately, we haven't got any spare to do so, we've got to do a repair. So, what I tend to use in these is these, and I've used them before on some of my other videos, is these Mohawk putty sticks, a black. And with the black, I always try and mix just a little bit of beige with it, just to lighten it out a little bit. So, we'll get mixing and see if we can get a colour match. Okay, got a couple of pieces cut off. Again, people that are not familiar with these putty sticks, you've got the outer skin there, which is the putty, and in the centre you've got an activator, an hardener. So when you slice the top of that off there, take a little section out, mix these up with your finger to really get the hardener mixed in with the putty, and that's what activates it to go rock hard, which it does. It is very, it does a tough substance as a replacement for the laminate on the worktop. As you can see, I'm only mixing a very small amount of beige with it, which should dull it off a little bit and make it quite a good match. Right, we're all mixed up. So what I've done, pop some masking tape off there. With a standing knife, I've gone across that section there, just to put a little bit of a chamfer on it, just try and clean that up a little bit. Start to place the filler on, and using this filler knife, really work it in. Okay, time to walk away and to let that sit. Right, now that's set with a sanding pad with 180 grit of sandpaper. Start to very carefully sand it back. With a little tip when you're sanding, just wet the end. And start sanding it with a little bit of water on. It does start to sand off quite well. Right, I've gone over that again with some 240 and 320 sandpaper. As you can see, when you run your finger over it, that's lovely and flat. There is a little bit of the finish missing there and there. This laminate is quite thin, so it has taken a touch of the colour. So what we'll need to do then now is we'll need to touch that up with some colour to try and blend it in a lot better than what it is. So I've got two colours now as a tester. One is the black and one is a blacky grey. As you can see there, that's a blacky grey and that's the grey, the black. So as you can see, neither one of them match. So we've got to try and mix the two together I've got a little bit of beige in there as well, because beige normally mixes well with black to lighten it up. So we see if we've got to try and get a colour match. So as you can see there, we've got the black, we've got the blacky grey. Those two mixed together come up with that one. As you see from the photo, I added a touch of brown on that one. As you can see, it's a lot lighter, and it's come up with a decent colour match.
Now, apply the paint onto the damaged area.
Okay, masking tape it all off. And using this matte lacquer, which I've heated up in some warm water. Carefully build up the coat.
All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's busted. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please, subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.